We've heard several rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 that point to some potentially different features and capabilities. First among these is the S Pen, the same stylus in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 family and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, that a patent suggests is coming in a future Samsung foldable phone, which could refer to the Z Fold 3. Another report supports the reasoning that an S Pen may come to the Z Fold 3, while also suggesting some display changes that may need to be made to get stylus functionality. First, Samsung may switch screen technologies from electromagnetic resonance, EMR, to active electrostatic solution, AES, to better register stylus input, and second, that the ultra-thin glass, UTG, may be twice as thick as on the Z Fold 2, from 30 micrometers to 60 micrometers. There's also a rumor that the Z Fold series will combine with the Note series to make a single productivity-focused phone line, ultimately condensing Samsung's annual flagships to just the S series and the stylus-packing foldable Z Fold line. A Samsung official has reportedly said similar, saying that the Z Fold 3 will get a stylus while the Note range will be discontinued. This would be sad news for Note fans, though the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has launched with stylus support anyway for folks who won't want to wait for a foldable. Another feature the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 might get is an in-screen camera, something we've heard several times, as well as saying that it's likely to be the first Samsung phone to have one. A Samsung official has reportedly even said as much now, though the feature may apparently not make it if it degrades the screen or photo quality. Elsewhere, we've heard that there might be two Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 models. The source doesn't say what's different about them, but claims that they'll both support 5G. We have however heard of a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Lite, so they might be talking about that. We've also heard that, unsurprisingly, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 could have at least 256 GB of storage and run Android 11 overlaid with Samsung's One UI 3.5. And rounding out the rumors is a fun one. A patent suggests a future foldable phone will get a light strip on its hinge. Inscribed hinges are so Galaxy Z Fold 2, we want RGB on our Z Fold 3.